Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate make.com scenarios for data sync workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate make.com scenarios for data sync workflows, begin by logging into your make.com account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create a New Scenario button. Select the tools you want to connect for your data sync. Drag and drop the chosen tools onto the workspace. Now, click on the first tool to configure the connection settings. Authenticate your account by entering the required credentials. Next, set the trigger event that will initiate the data sync. After setting up the trigger, move to the second tool in the scenario. Configure the second tool in the same manner as the first. Set the desired action that will occur in response to the trigger. Once both tools are configured, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Make adjustments to the scenario settings as needed. Now, click on Run once to test the scenario for functionality. Monitor the execution window for any errors during the test. If everything runs smoothly, click on the Activate button. Your make.com scenario is now live and ready for data sync workflows. To monitor ongoing activity, return to the dashboard and select your scenario. This allows you to view logs and make adjustments as necessary. Congratulations, you've successfully activated a data sync workflow using make.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.